Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Make It Easy. Hi everyone, we are going to study the first unit of biology, Life Mysteries in Little Chambers. At first, let's familiarize with the parts of a compound microscope. Let's know about the compound microscope. This part of the microscope is known as eyepiece. The image is observed through this part. These are knobs. Knobs are to adjust the focus. This is objective lens. It magnifies the image. These are stage and clip. We can place the object on the stage and fix it by the clip. This part is known as condenser. Condenser focuses light on the material to be observed. This is mirror. Mirror is to reflect light. What is the function of a microscope? Function of a microscope. The function of a microscope is to magnify objects. What is a compound microscope? Compound microscopes. Microscopes in which more than one lens is used are called compound microscopes. Here is a description about the arrangement of light in a microscope. Let's read it. Arrangement of light in a microscope. In the microscope, the part fixed below the stage is to reflect light on the material to be observed. This arrangement, which is fixed in a metal ring, has two planes, a plane mirror to reflect sunlight and a concave mirror to reflect artificial light. The lens in the condenser that is fixed on the lower side of the stage focuses light on the material to be observed. Diaphragm, a part of the condenser, helps to regulate the intensity of light. How to prepare the observation material? Okay, let's study it. Preparation of observation material. Stage 1. Put the material to be observed in the petri dish containing water to prevent dehydration. Stage 2. Take thin cross sections of the material to be observed. Stage 3. With a brush, shift the sections to a watch glass containing water. Stage 4. Put the thinnest and complete sections to a watch glass containing stain. Stage 5. Add 1 or 2 drops of glycerin to the slide to prevent drying up of the material. Wash the stained section in clean water and place it in the glycerin on the slide is the stage 6. Stage 7. Place a cover glass over the material using a needle in such a way that air bubbles do not pass. Stage 8. Wipe out the excess glycerin using tissue paper. Magnification power. The magnification power of objective lenses are marked as 10x and 45x. Such markings can be seen in eyepiece too. The magnification power of a microscope is the result of multiplying the numbers seen in the objective lens and the eyepiece. This picture will help you to understand the difference in the magnification when lenses 10x and 45x are used. This is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke was the first scientist who observed cells with the help of a simple microscope. He observed the section of cork through a microscope and called the tiny chamber seen in the section cell. Here's a picture of cell observed by Robert Hooke. Study of the cell is an extensive branch of science which is rapidly developing nowadays. It is known as cell biology. Remarkable findings that paved way for the development of cell biology were made in the middle of 19th century. Robert Brown. Robert Brown discovered the center of the cell and named it the nucleus in 1831. M.J. Schleiden. M.J. Schleiden found out that the body of a plant is made up of cells. Theodor Schwann. Theodor Schwann found out that the body of an animal is made up of cells. Rudolf Virchow. Rudolf Virchow observed dividing cells and inferred that new cells arise only from existing cells in 1858. Cell theory. The cell theory was formulated by M.J. Schleiden and Theodor Schwann, summarizing the findings of various scientists. It puts forward two main concepts. The first concept is the body of all organisms is made up of cells. The second one is cells are the structural and functional units of organisms. What are the functions performed by cells? Functions of cells: resist foreign particles, synthesis biomolecules, release energy from nutrients. These are the functions of cells. Next part will be uploaded soon. Stay tuned. Bye bye.